Belly button infections can be quite painful at times, and they can also cause lots of discomfort, especially if left untreated. There's several treatments to get rid of the belly button infections. Coconut oil is one of the most effective home remedies to treat the infections. In fact, coconut oil has antibacterial and antifungal properties, and this slows down the growth of the bacteria and the fungus, and it also inhibits the spread of the infection. Apart from this, the oil has anti-inflammatory properties, and this aids in reducing the itching sensation, the swelling, and the pain. For using coconut oil as a home remedy, simply put a few drops of coconut oil onto a cotton swab and then apply it directly to the infected area, and wait at least 15 to 20 minutes before removing it. You need to reapply this at least 3 to 4 times per day. Lavender oil acts as a natural, powerful antiseptic, and it safeguards the area around the belly button. It's highly recommended to use pure lavender oil for treating belly button infections. Simply dip a cotton bud into the lavender oil and then rub it around the infected area. Make a note to do this a few times per day. Another home remedy for treating belly button infections is garlic oil. It's loaded with antimicrobial properties, and these are highly effective for treating the belly button infections. It also helps relieve the inflammation caused due to the infection. Apply tea tree oil to the infected area for an infection caused by bacteria and yeast. This is because the tea tree oil contains antibacterial, antifungal, as well as antiseptic properties. Another effective home remedy for treating belly button infections is baking soda. Thanks to its wonderful antimicrobial properties, the baking soda makes it possible to treat the infection. Apart from this, the baking soda has a pH maintaining property, and this has the ability to reduce the growth of infections in the future. By applying baking soda regularly, you can also get relief from the itching and irritation caused by the infection. Warm salt water or saline solution can be used as an excellent home remedy for treating belly button infections. The warm salt water is beneficial for enhancing the blood flow and absorbing the moisture, so it supports a quicker healing. The salt water works like a natural disinfectant because of its hygroscopic property, and this has the ability to slow down the growth of infections caused by microorganisms. In order to get the most effective results, apply the warm saltwater treatment and then pat the infected area dry, followed by rubbing a bit of water-based antibacterial cream. A warm compress is also one of the remedies for treating belly button infections. It should be used in the case of feeling discomfort in the area. It can be helpful for easing the pain and also support in healing the skin. Neem is a natural herb, and it can help for treating several health problems related to bacteria or yeast infections. The neem has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties, and these help in reducing the itching and the pain associated with belly button infections and inhibiting the spread of infections. If you're suffering from a belly button infection with pus in it, you can use hydrogen peroxide as a natural remedy for treating the infection. The hydrogen peroxide can remove the pus from the belly button infections. Another home remedy for treating belly button infections is rubbing alcohol. This is used to clean the affected area. The alcohol has antiseptic properties, and these can help to sterilize the belly button infection, and also to prevent the infection from spreading. Use alcohol to rub into the infected area, and this can aid in inhibiting the growth of parasites and contamination. Pour a small amount of alcohol on a cotton bud and rub it into the infected area, and repeat this several times a day until you notice the infection getting better. White wine vinegar is beneficial for stopping a discharge from an infected belly button. The white wine vinegar has natural acidic properties, and these fight the infection, and it makes it a useful home remedy. Mix the white vinegar with warm water in a ratio of 1 to 2, and then use a cotton swab to dip it and apply it to the affected area. Wait for at least 10 minutes before washing it out, and do this a few times per day. Aloe vera is used as a home remedy for multiple ailments, and it can be useful for treating belly button infections. It eases the pain and enhances the healing process because of its anti-inflammatory and soothing properties. Calendula is a type of herb that contains hydrating, anti-inflammatory, and also antiseptic substances, and it's highly effective for reducing itching and irritation. Moreover, the calendula also helps to heal the affected skin faster. Turmeric has antiseptic and antibiotic substances, and it's highly effective for healing infections, and this makes it a useful remedy for belly button infections. You can take a little turmeric powder, mix it with water to make a paste, and apply it to the affected area. To learn about herbs, supplements, and natural treatment plans, check out my website.